The Content Aware tool allows you to move elements within a scene while Photoshop automatically fills in the missing detail. It's like an advanced patch tool and can be used in two ways. So it can be used via selecting Content Aware tool and changing it to mode from move to extend. And so first of all, I might use the move tool. I'm going to zoom in on our selfie emoji, and I'm going to cut out around the outside of it with a little bit of a border. I'm then going to zoom out. And so with this one, I'm going to move the selfie emoji to over in this location. And I'm simply going to press enter. And you can see the result there. Now what I might do is I'm going to change this to extend, move our character once again, and I'm going to move him back to the bottle. And so the extend should do a duplicate. Use the arrows to correct it, press enter. And there we go, I can correct the effects that are occurring down there just using the patch tool, but it gives a really good result. That's the Content Aware tool.